You have a little pain like that, you go for a treatment very fast. You get healed very, very fast. Because there's no impediment, there's no obstruction for healing, because the toxin-wise, you are able to overcome. See, we have all the diseases that come with that, but look at the kids. They go play dirty and everything like that, and they their immune system is able to handle whatever circumstances they have. But to us adults, sometimes our immune system is compromised. So it's up to us to give nutrients to our body so that our immune system will be in a fighting level to ward off all this sickness and disease. Our blood changes in about 90 days. So if you go into a supplementation program, take it for at least 90 days, not 89, 90 days, because your blood changes, transformed, and regenerated into new, healthy blood after that. And they even say that we could even offer money back guarantee. 90 days you don't feel better, get your money back. I don't know about that. I explored about that, and the guy said we could offer it. I have to believe that it could be done if the person is willing to do what it takes to get himself better. There's a guy, Dr. Colwell, said, you could treat any condition here on earth, any sickness, cancer, diabetes, everything, but you cannot treat every person. Not every person is willing to do what it takes to get them well. They will try a supplement for 1 week, and they say, it doesn't affect me. It doesn't work that way. Now, if you really want to get in a healthy state of mind, body, and soul, let's say the body first, okay? You have to have this protocol of supplementation for 6 to 7 years. That's where your whole body is transformed. Your whole body from an unhealthy condition will transform into a healthy condition. It might even be younger and doesn't age. Who wouldn't want to age? Who wouldn't want to stay young? How people will spend a lot to get into this anti-aging thing, supplementation, surgery, facelift, but the best natural way for you to do is get your immune system up, let your body take care of the resources, your body will retain its longevity and health condition. Okay, now, there is the other aspect, the physical aspect. This is, I've seen this in some people, not all. Some of those who abuse their body when they're young and normally get this trauma felt during the years when they are already a little bit elderly and their immune system is a little bit compromised. I did give foot massage with laser to a lady at the Sheraton at the airport. She complains about pain in her feet, both feet, and when he walks, he is not happy about the pain that she's feeling, right? And he asked everything, doctors, chiropractors. He had an MRI, X-ray, and everything that he could think of, and nothing's helped. So I said, what did you do? Are you an athlete before? And he said, yes, I'm a very good runner. Runner, you pound your football foot every time, and during those time, maybe 20, 30 years ago, 40 years ago, you don't have good shoes to use on your sport. So what happened, there's so much impact on the feet of this person, and the trauma built up on the feet. You see, our bones are plastic. They deform, okay? They break, not so easily, but they store trauma. Their cells become deformed, and some bones go big because of trauma. And you can make them small again if you take out the trauma. Simple as that. So, what happened to this lady, I did some